Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the admin color scheme in WordPress. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. After that it will simply take you to the browser, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and then you have to just simply put in your login credentials there, and it will simply take you to a page like this. And from here what you need to do is just simply click on the users option, and then you have to just simply click on the profile icon from here, and then it will simply take you to the another page like this. And here you can see, if you scroll down here, you can see the option of admin color scheme is showing here, and you can just choose accordingly from here. So let's say I'd like to go for this one, and here you can see that the color is already changes in my interface, and let's say I'd like to go for this one now, and here you can see that the file is already, the color is already changes. And now if we'd like to get back to the our previous one, then just simply click on it, and here you can see we have just already got back to our own scheme. Then what you need to do is just simply click on the update profile now, and it will simply press that color scheme accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.